Hi friends, how are you? Hope you are doing well. Today we are going to discuss a topic that is I will win. That is I will win at any cost. So before going to the main topic, I want to say something. Winning is just simply a mindset. A mindset, however, it is only developed by outstanding individuals. It's not about talent, it's about effort. Effort will get you the win when talent is having a rest day. Effort will drive you home when everyone expects you to give up. Effort will drag you from the canvas when you have been knocked out by life. Now come to the main discussions. So first thing you have to take care, that is attitude. Attitude is everything of life. Build a positive attitude. In a survey, it has been studied that when a candidate gets job, this is 85% due to his attitude, rest 15% on his educational qualifications and other factors. So you can understand the importance of attitude in life. Attitude depends upon three factors: in where you have experiences your life, the environment where you have born and brought up, and finally the education. Whatever it is, always practice positive attitude. Next thing, success. Design your winning strategies properly. You can understand success is a matter of choice and not a chance. But what are the obstacles of success? Ego. Don't become so much egoistic. Fear of failure. You don't get fear to be failed. You make a proper plan. You don't have plan, you can understand. No goal. You have no goal but you have started the work. Over responsibility. You don't allow yourself to take over responsibility. Next, procrastinations. Next, over commitment. Finally, lack of training. These are the parameters you have to take care to get success in your life. Next one, motivation. Motivate yourself every day. Yes, every day. Now, this motivation can be of two types: external motivations and internal motivations. External motivations are the external factors that force you to work on something. Internal motivation, it is internal urge which insists you perform properly. If you are an internally motivated person, you are the right one to start a business. Next, self-esteem. Self-esteem is our self-concept. What you think about yourself. So, take some example of positive self-esteems. What are they? Willing to take responsibility. Next, optimistic attitudes. Next, better relationships. Next, is very much ambitious. The next one, personality. You try to improve and interpersonal skill that create you a positive and pleasing personality. To develop this, you have to take care of two things. First, you commit to accept responsibilities of your own actions. Then, you identify the specific area where you can accept more responsibility. Next one, subconscious mind. We have two minds. One is conscious minds, another is subconscious minds. So you must synchronize these two minds. If you put negativity in your mind, the output result will be negative. If you put positivity in your mind, you will get positive output. And your both the minds will be on the same way. That is, if both the mind decided to done this work, you start the work. Otherwise, you don't get the success. Next one, habits. You try to form some good habits. Good, you stay in the home during the time of rest. You rise early, you take foods in time. You go for exercise, you take meditations. These all are the good habits you can maintain. Accept positive changes and always avoid negative auto suggestions like I am tired, I am not physically fit to start, I have poor memory, I am not good in math. Okay. The next one, value and ethics. Become a man of value. You should practice value and ethics in your professions. Now, what are the parameters that force us to be a man of not values or ethics? What are they? Your greed, your fear, and your pressure. So, try to optimize these negative parameters. Next, focus. You focus on your dream such a manner you can achieve it very early. Focus on favorable, avoid on unfavorable. More you focus, more you can create, more you can get energy to start something new. The next one, goal. You should prepare a exact goal. Your goal may be short term, mid term or long term. Short term means what you are immediately want. What is your next step of expectation? Finally, what you are wanting, that is the long term. And your goal will be very much specific and measurable and achievable and realistic and time bound. So in a short, you can say SMART goal is the success of your life. This is the main thing I want to discuss. Now, before going to the actual conclusion, I want to say something. That is, you see, winning is not some special reward, only rebirth of our lucky among us. If you ask all the failures, they will tell you it luck, but it's not. Winning is a reward you receive when you have put in the hard work when no one is watching. Winning is for champion attitude and champion hearts. If you throw me to the wolves, you that I will return leading to the pack. Now, if I summarize the whole things, what I'm getting, first, you build a positive attitude. Next, think always about success. Next, prepare a daily motivation practice. Next, a constructive self-esteem. Next, create a pleasing personality. Next, train your subconscious mind to focus on positive. Next, practice always good habits. Next, become a man of values. Next, focus on your dream. Finally, set your goals early and reach timely. So this is the end of my presentation. If you feel this information is helpful for you, you can subscribe our channel and you can share the information. And this video is made on individual opinions, and you can comment on the comment box for the further suggestions, modifications and opinions. Thank you, my friends.